Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mailchimp automations for e-commerce welcome series easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Mailchimp automations for your e-commerce welcome series, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab located in the main menu. Click on the Create button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Email to start setting up your automation. Choose Customer Journeys to create a sophisticated welcome series tailored to your e-commerce site. Next, click on Create Journey to initiate your new automation workflow. Select the audience you want to engage with this automation. After selecting your audience, click Save, and then proceed to add a trigger for your welcome email. Next, click on Add Email to create your welcome email. Enter the subject line, preview text, and from name for this email, ensuring they reflect your brand. Now it's time to design your email. Incorporate elements such as personalized greetings, product recommendations, or a special discount. After designing your email, click Save and continue to move to the next step. Set the timing for when this welcome email will be sent out. A good practice is to send it immediately after someone signs up. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save again. To add additional emails in your welcome series, click on Add Email once more. Repeat the process, adjusting content, timing, and triggers as necessary to keep your audience engaged. Ensure each follow-up email provides value, whether that's educational content, product recommendations, or special offers. When your welcome series is complete, review all the steps to ensure everything is set correctly. Finally, toggle the automation switch to On to activate your welcome series. Congratulations, your e-commerce welcome series is ready to engage and convert your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.